That's a lekker question. I contacted you and I saw this Nardis guy. And I decided I'm going to contact him because I want to live the life that you are living.
Today I'm here in Skukuza in the Kruger National Park, and I've got a great honor today to speak to Minister Willie Oukamp. Minister, how are you doing?
Well, I'm wearing a tie in the Kruger National Park. It's a very uncomfortable thing, but it's still nice to be in the Kruger National Park.
That's great. So Minister Oukamp is a staunch supporter of the Kruger National Park, and he loves wildlife just the same as we do. And I did a little bit of my research on you beforehand, and I found out that in the media you've previously said that you love elephants. I sent you this elephant photo that I shot in Punta Maria in 2022.
It will definitely hang in my office. Die ding gaan kantoor toe. Dit is stunning. Nee, hy gaan kantoor toe. Ek weet presies waar hy kan opgaan.
So, is there a specific reason why elephants have a special place for you in your heart?
They're the gentle giants. They've got these big brains. We as humans got a brain this big. They've got these big brains. They're much more intelligent than us. If you look at their behavior and their softness, but also the power that they've got, it's just an amazing animal to watch. The strength of breaking a tree, but also the softness of stepping around a thorn. Have you seen an elephant stepping into a thorn? It goes softly and then it just moves its feet. It's such an amazing animal.
I know you're a busy person, so if you have a week open and you've got no responsibilities, what would be your favorite camp to go to and why?
I like Satara. I like Satara a lot. There's a lot to do for the children. There's a lot of roads. But I have also done the Lebombo 4x4 route from Crocodile Bridge to Crook's Corner. I've done various trails, walking trails in the park. I like Balule.
Balule is one of my favorites.
I like Olifants with the view that you've got there.
Yes.
And Skukuza also has got a vibrancy on it.
Yeah,
Then you go to Pretoria's Kop and you've got the nicest swimming pool in the world. So there's every single place has got its own rhythm. But I like camping in Satara.
Is your favorite camping, or would you rather prefer bungalows?
No, camping.
Camping all the way.
Camping all the way. My surname is Oukamp. I'm an Oukamper.
If you were standing here, we're here today at the 100th centenary celebration. So if you were here 100 years from now, what would you want the generation then to say what we did right to preserve the park?
I would hope that they will also be able to see a herd of elephant waddle through the Sabi River. I would hope that, we hope that they would see a Hero lion roar at night and experience exactly what we are experiencing now. Because we've got to protect what we've got in the shape that it is.
Yes.
And that is the responsibility of our generation and the next. I would like my great-great-grandchildren to 150 years or whatever time from now to still sit around a campfire in the Kruger National Park, to still drive in whatever they're going to drive at that stage through the park and play a game and have a competition about who's seeing the most animals or who's seeing the first lion or the first leopard. I would like things to remain the same. And that's why we've got to preserve it. If you preserve something, you keep it as it is for much longer.
So we know the south is more the touristy part of the park and it's more dense for animals, and the north is more open and scenic. So what would you prefer, the south or the north?
No, everything. I prefer the central and then going north and south from there.
Okay.
I've got property at Mall of Park right on the river.
Oh, beautiful.
So you've got that area between the Crocodile River and the Sabi River, very dense, a lot of bush, but a lot of leopards, a lot of elephants.
Yes.
Then you move a bit north. If you go up to Satara, you've got those more savanna grasslands, the Lebombo Mountains on your right-hand side. There's such a vast variety of topography and of plants and of dams and rivers. It's every single place gives its own treasures. Then you go north and all of a sudden you see all these baobab trees and
one of my favorites.
fantastic,
Yes.
absolutely fantastic. So there's no place that looks the same. It's just fantastic.
Okay. And you also obviously appreciate the small and the big. Are you a birder yourself? Do you like birding?
I'm not a birder that can tell you every single name, but I can tell you I stop for most of them. So no, my wife is a birder. She's always got a bird book in the car and she ticks off what she saw where. And I mean, I know quite a number of them. But she's better than me, I can promise you that.
Thank you, Minister. I really enjoyed speaking to you. And if you had to point a young South African to follow a content creator creating Kruger content, Is there anyone in specific that you would refer them to?
That's a lekker question. I contacted you because I watch. Listen, so when you're on a airport and you're waiting, you've got a bit of time. You go through Facebook, and most of my stuff, due to the algorithms, give me Kruger stuff. Yes, and I saw this Nardes guy, and I decided I'm going to contact him because I want to live the life that you are living. Guys, it's so nice to follow you, to see where you go, the positiveness that you present out there of the Kruger National Park. Thank you very much. Enjoy what you're doing. It's
thank
you
you
make a
very
lot of
much.
people, including me, very, very much jealous.
Oh, thank you very much. I think it's also commendable to say that it's fantastic to have a minister that understands social media. I found your profile when you complimented the personnel from Lower Sorbie on the rescue of the shop after it burned down and the speed at which they put up a temporary shop. And I found that very impressive that we have a politician today in Parliament that actually understands the youth and understands how to use the power of social media to promote the Kruger National Park. And I will continue to do my best to promote the park and to do everything I can. And I will still be engaged with you and speaking to you on some of the projects that I'm involved with.
Perfect.
And on that note, I'd like to present you with a Flippy. Flippy is the mascot of the Honorary Rangers,
Fantastic.
the Junior Honorary Rangers.
Fantastic.
And I will be putting some details in the caption of this on how you can find the SANParks Junior Honorary Rangers and the Honorary Rangers, and how you can get your hands on a Flippy yourself.
Thank you.
So-
Thank you very, very, very much. And if you give me the information on this, I will also share it on my social media so that
Thank
we
you
can
very
go in.
much.
And hopefully the next time, no, not hopefully, definitely, the next time that you and me have an interview,
Yes.
I will not be wearing a tie.
No, I think we must.
I've got to unveil the centenary plaque in about an hour's time from now.
Okay,
So
I'll be here for that
it's,
as well.
yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, Minister.
I
I'll
really
see you
appreciate
for a
it, man.
camping session in Baluli.
That would be fantastic. That would be fantastic.
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Appreciate
Thank you
it so
very much.
much.